Welcome back, people. Let's learn about arrays in this video. Let's think about an e-commerce application, specifically about the cart in the application. Think of it like a shopping cart. You are about to select multiple products to go into the cart, and in this situation, we are going to use array to store the list of items that go into the cart. Let's look at an example now. So this represents an empty array. The square brackets are called array literals, and you can add one or more values inside the array. Initially it is empty, so let's add a couple of items into the array. Now let's try to print it in the console. If you print it on the console, you can see the index of each element and the length of the array. Soap has an index of 0, cola 1, rice 2, and ice cream 3. The total length is 4. The index represents the position of the element in the array. Also note that the index value starts from 0. We use the index to access the element in the array. Let's see how that works. This will print the first element in the cart array. Also remember that the length of the array and type of data that we have in the array are dynamic. Now let's expand the array. So this will add salt as the fifth element, that is the element at index 4 in the cart array. Now we have an array of 5 elements. In JavaScript, an array can contain elements of different data type. Let's add a number to this array. So let's print it now. So now we have an array of 6 elements, wherein 5 are string and 1 is a number. Technically speaking, array is an object, so it has a bunch of properties that we can access using the dot notation. Let's look at it. So here you have a set of properties that you can access for an array. So let's take length, press enter, we get 6 as output. To summarize, array is a data structure that we use to store a list of items. Hope you would have understood the concept of arrays. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.